What's up everybody, Noble back with you guys again. In today's video we've got two videos changing our name, trying to get all the custom URLs that we are trying to align with our YouTube channel. So the first one that we're going to do today, and they're both going to be on Facebook, is our personal Facebook profile. So in order to do that, obviously we don't want to waste too much time. Go ahead and jump onto your personal Facebook page. Sorry that you guys have to see my big old nasty mug here, but for the most part this is what we're going to change. You guys can see I set up a fake one here. I put is catfish still a thing, which is just a placeholder. But in order to go ahead and change your personal Facebook profile's URL, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the arrow here, and you want to head over to your Facebook settings. Now, of course, I've got all of my personal information blocked, but what you guys want to change is your username here. So we're going to go ahead and click on edit. So for the most part, my personal Facebook profile is more for friends and family that I've got in real life, but you can go ahead and change your username to whatever it is that you want. So let me go ahead and change mine. Alright, so like I said, I'm not going to change this to NobleArcade or anything because this is just my personal profile, but I went ahead and put I'm Noble. Of course, you guys can go ahead and change this to whatever you want. Go ahead and click Save Changes, and then make sure that you enter your password. So after that's all said and done, you've got your brand new Facebook link, facebook.com/whatever it is that you put on. And again, just to go ahead and try it out, we can do facebook.com/I'm-noble. Go ahead and click on that, and that'll take you directly to your personal page. So again, this is just something to go ahead and claim the names that you want on every social media that you go ahead and use. If you guys want me to cover anything else, let me know in the comments down below. And as always guys, we will see you on the next video.